Have you ever wondered what it would be like to live on another planet? This question captures the essence of our human curiosity, a fascination that stretches beyond our familiar blue sphere and into the vast, uncharted territories of outer space. As we continue to push the boundaries of science and technology, the once distant dream of extraterrestrial living inches ever closer to reality. So, what might a day look like in the life of a human living on another planet? Let's dive into this fascinating thought experiment. Imagine waking up, not to the familiar sunrise of our Earth, but to the alien dawn of a new world. Instead of the usual yellows and oranges of our sun, you'd be greeted by a panorama of purples, blues, and greens, a kaleidoscope of colors painting the sky. The morning chill might be replaced by a comforting warmth or perhaps an icy bite, depending on the planet's distance from its star. The scenery would be a departure from the norm, too. Instead of trees and buildings, you might see towering alien flora or gigantic rock formations casting long, strange shadows in the early light. And just think about how these differences would affect your morning routine. Instead of a quick shower, you might need to dust off Martian sand. Instead of grabbing a coffee, you might need to prepare a nutrient-packed interstellar smoothie. Getting up in the morning would be an entirely new experience, unlike anything we know on Earth. And what about work and leisure? How might these fundamental aspects of our lives change on another planet? Let's begin with work. On this alien planet, our jobs as we know them might no longer exist. Instead, we might find ourselves in roles that are entirely novel. Imagine being a gravity engineer tasked with developing structures and systems that function under different gravitational forces. Or perhaps you might be an atmospheric chemist studying and manipulating the alien atmosphere to make it more suitable for human life. In this new world, farming might take on a whole new meaning. We may have to cultivate alien plants or engineer our own crops to survive in a different environment. Even the arts would be transformed. What would music sound like in a different atmosphere? How would painters capture the alien landscapes? Now let's talk about leisure. With different gravity, atmosphere, and landscapes, our recreational activities would be revolutionized. Traditional sports might be impractical or impossible. However, new sports could be born from these unique conditions. Imagine a high-gravity version of basketball where the ball moves slower, or a low-gravity version of soccer where the ball hardly ever touches the ground. And what about our social structures and relationships? With the reduced need for manual labor, we might see a shift towards more intellectual and creative pursuits. This could lead to a renaissance of arts, philosophy, and science. Relationships might also evolve as we adapt to living in close quarters and relying on each other for survival in an alien environment. In this new world, we would have to redefine our concepts of work and leisure. We would have to adjust, adapt, and innovate. But isn't that what humans do best? We are a resilient species, capable of great adaptability and creativity. Both work and play would be redefined in the alien conditions of another planet, challenging our norms and pushing the limits of our adaptability. Living on another planet would undoubtedly present challenges, but also unique joys and experiences. Imagine grappling with communication delays. A simple hello might take minutes, hours, or even days to reach its destination. And let's not forget the isolation. Far from Earth, you'd find yourself in the vast expanse of the cosmos, your former life a distant memory with only your fellow pioneers for company. The physical effects would be a challenge too. Your body, so accustomed to Earth's gravity, would have to adjust to a new normal. Muscles might weaken, bones might lose their density, and the circadian rhythm that once dictated your sleep would become irrelevant. But just as the night sky is speckled with stars, so too would this new life be punctuated by moments of joy and wonder. You'd have the unique opportunity to explore uncharted territories, to set foot where no human has ever ventured, and to look up at a sky dotted with unfamiliar constellations. The thrill of discovery would be a constant companion. Every day would bring new knowledge, new experiences, and new stories to tell. And as you and your companions navigate this alien world, you'd forge new societal norms, creating a culture entirely your own. In the face of challenges and the thrill of new experiences, life on another planet would redefine what it means to be human. So living on another planet, a fascinating thought, isn't it? Picture waking to a new dawn, unlike anything we've experienced on Earth. Imagine work and leisure, redefined by alien cultures and technologies. Envisage the challenges of adapting to new environments, but also the joy of unprecedented discoveries. As we continue to gaze at the stars and push the boundaries of our knowledge and capabilities, who knows? This thought experiment may one day become a reality.